Hi, it's Suzanne Colbert. This is my second official BeautyCounter video. And I'm gonna go ahead and say up front that I will not be editing these videos because if I start editing, I won't be able to draw the line. And it's summertime and I ain't doing all that. Which also means that my dog may add some sound effects. But this video is an unpacking of, I don't want y'all to see my address, of my BeautyCounter Consultant box. It's the first one I've gotten. Sorry about the camera angle. It's hard to get me and inside the box. So let's just see what's in the box. Kids, don't try this at home. Or try it, but if you cut yourself, it's not my fault. Don't try it at home. I love that BeautyCounter focuses on recycling. All of their containers are recyclable. They even send refills for some products so that you don't have to have a plastic container every time. Very nice glass, sturdy containers. So recycled paper, thanks. Can you guys see in there? This is what we got. This is a letter of all the stuff I got. Thank you. Okay, this is Counter Plus Overnight Resurfacing Peel. I have that already and I love it. This is the infamous All Bright Sea Serum. It's the yellow, good for your face serum. Yeah. This is the Counter Time, which is generally for aging or more mature skin. This is the, oh my goodness, I don't know how to say that. I probably should have looked it up first. The Supreme Cream, you know. Yep. And close to that is the Radiance Serum that goes with the Counter Time. I already used this and love it. Okay, and I think this is, I love that they put these postcards in here. You may be getting some in the mail if I have your address. Why not? It gives you 20% off. Let me move this. Okay, this box is the last bit. Beauty should be good for you, and it should. Ooh, yay! This is all the Counter Plus stuff. I am lucky enough to have actually used all of these except for this brightening facial oil, which I can't wait to try. How long have we been going on this video? Hopefully not too long. Really quickly though, this is the Counter Plus, the Lotus Glow Cleansing Balm. It's a big purchase, but it's totally worth it. I think the jar is beautiful. I don't even want to touch it. It's a heavy glass. It's very nice. And it's almost like a big jar of chapstick. It's a balm. You could use it as a makeup remover, or you can even keep it on your skin all night as a face mask. It's good stuff. Counter Plus is, they are the things that you can add to any of the regimes. There's Counter Time, which is for more mature aging skin. Counter Control, which is for oily or acne prone skin. And Counter Plus works with any of those. And I think there's Counter Sun, which is the sun care products. And there's something else for sensitive skin. I'll have to look that up. The resurfacing peel is nice when you put it on before bed. You can actually feel it. It's got some, I should have looked this stuff up, but it has, it's all natural stuff. Anyway, it's a resurfacing peel, and you finish it up with a moisturizer. It's really good for your skin. I told you I'm not good at this. And oh, the charcoal mask, which is the other Counter Plus thing that I have. I actually got it as like a little sample with my first purchase, and then I ordered it myself. But you can do it every like 2 to 3 times a week for about 10 minutes. It feels really nice. This is the thing I haven't seen before, the brightening facial oil. But I've been doing the yellow. Let me open this because it's just so cool. Boom! That's the All Bright C Serum. That's what I've been using. But I am curious about this facial oil. What'd you look like? Oh, it matches. Oh, it's a little dropper. That's fancy. Ooh. Another thing that I love about BeautyCounter, and I hope I've got an example of it so I didn't just start something silly for no reason. Oh yes, here we go. This has it for the counter time. But if you get the regimens, I don't know how to say that word. It's never going to get better. I'm sorry. Well, let me say yet. It's not better yet. But on each box, it tells you which step in the process it is. Like you wash your face, you know, you wash, you moisturize, tone, lotion, creams, serums. It can be confusing to know which one to do first. So each one on the box, it's showing you, this is showing you that this is step 3, the tripeptide radiance serum, and then this is showing you that, sorry, mirror image, this is showing you that this comes after that is step 4, which to me, anything that can add to a routine and help with the structure, it is awesome. So that was my unboxing. If you see anything you like, check out the link and go shopping. Bye.